One of my most favorite Agile at Home techniques for getting my work done is my personal Kanban method. I've been using it for over 10 years to manage everything from the latest work project to the ongoing everyday work activities that come at me, managing my inbox and email, and all the personal and home projects that are coming at me as well. I'm sure I'm not alone, and in these days, whether I'm working from home or you're a working parent, juggling a lot of activities coming at you, it's hard to keep on top of that chaos. And my personal Kanban method provides just that tool set to help you manage the work that you've got coming at you, that's in your head, that's on your shoulders, that's weighting you down. It works because we make the work immediately visible, something that's looking at you but that you can now manage and work with. We take what's conceptual, things that are like in your head, that are these things that you're carrying around with you that you know you have to get done and they're nagging at you. We turn that into something concrete. There's a little bit of psychology behind that on how that works and why it works so well for us to turn the conceptual into something concrete that we physically touch, and adding a kinesthetic aspect to it. And it provides that all-important focus that enables us to really get the work done. So if you're like me and you've got a lot of things coming at you and you really want to get on top of your personal chaos and learn how to manage your life and your work better, join us at our next session of Agile at Home using Personal Kanban. And if you're going to join us, have a couple of supplies ready. You will need these. I love the little 1.5 by 2-inch Post-its. You can get these online. You can find slightly bigger versions at many office supply stores. Even some grocery stores, places like Target, etc., can provide these. If you can't get a hold of these, most everybody has the 3x3 stickies, and these are really easy to find. I'll show you how these work as well. So you need the 2 stickies as best you can, and about 6 sheets of printer paper. That works really well. Unlined printer paper, and you don't need anything big fancy, but about 6 sheets will work really well. And a trusty pen or marker or pencil, something that you can write with. So come and join us for Agile at Home, Personal Kanban, and we'll show you how to get on top of your personal chaos and turning your life into something that's manageable again and enjoyable, getting that all-important good night's sleep, joining your family for family meals, dinners, and at family events without having to work through the night to get everything done. We look forward to seeing you soon.